All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you a live demo on how I make my Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, any type of commercial for a physical product. This is my brand, Professor Pickleball. I own a couple other brands, and I've mastered the skill of making commercials just like this, setting up a camera, taking a product, and pitching that item to generate over $10 million in sales. So if you ever wanted to sell anything, I'm gonna give you the exact format I've used over the past 7 years, and it's worked every single day.
And look, you don't need to have a fancy camera. You don't need to have fancy lighting. Just take your stuff and go do it.
It's a very simple formula. It's 3 steps. I call it the hack formula. Basically, you got a hook, you talk about the attributes, and then you do a call to action. Very, very simple. So what we're gonna do is I have a mini script that I have pulled up here, and I'm just gonna do the takes into the camera with you so you can see how I do it, right? It's pretty simple. It's nothing super fancy. So let me just get my script ready. And again, this is an ad for a pickleball paddle. I'm gonna be able to crop this down into vertical for social media, Facebook, Instagram, mobile devices. All right, here we go. Again, I like to start off with a really good hook. And in this case, the hook that I'm gonna use is, this is the highest quality pickleball paddle sold at the lowest possible sustainable markup. So I'm saying it's a really high quality product at a great price, which in pickleball, most paddles are really, really expensive if you want quality. So that's my hook that's gonna hook in the customer. And here's how I'm gonna do it. This is the highest quality pickleball paddle sold at the lowest possible sustainable markup. I'm a one-take wonder, baby. All right, next line is attributes, right? So we just got our hook. Now it's attributes. We introduce the product and we just talk about some features. This is Professor Pickleball's Rock Carbon Fiber, or this is Professor Pickleball's PhD Rock Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. If you mess up, just go through it. Keep the camera rolling. This is Professor Pickleball's Rock Carbon Fiber PhD Pickleball Paddle. All right, now we're going into the attributes. So the first thing you'll notice is just how balanced and premium the paddle actually feels. What clearly takes this paddle over the top is its grippy carbon fiber surface. It creates so much more topspin, making your shots nastier than ever, ultimately making it harder for your opponents to return the ball. I like that. That was good. This stuff right here makes the difference between this paddle and a normal Amazon paddle. This stuff right here on the surface makes all the difference between this paddle and a normal Amazon paddle. The shape of the paddle is designed to be perfectly balanced, so every time you swing it, it feels just right. So now I'm going to point to the shape, right? You want to be using your hands and things like that. So the shape of the paddle is designed to be perfectly balanced so it feels just right every time you swing it. The longer 5.5-inch grip creates a better feel and overall control of your paddle. The longer 5.5-inch grip creates an overall better feel and more control of your paddle when you're swinging. Simple. See, I'm adding in words. You want to keep it simple. Long grip creates a better The longer grip creates a better feel and overall control of your paddle. The longer grip creates a better feel and overall control of your paddle. Now we're on the last part of the hack. We did hook, we did attribute, now we're on call to action. The PhD really does check all the boxes. Not only does it look great, it plays amazing, and it's pretty much unbeatable at this price point for such a high quality paddle. It comes in white and it comes in black. Click the link below to grab your PhD today. Boom, and that's it, right? So now when you chop this up, it turns into about a 30 to 45 second video. So this is step number 1. Step number 2 is to actually go put the product into use. And what that means is I take my camera on my tripod and I just go outside and I take each one of those features and make a little clip about it. So when I talk about the longer handle, I zoom in and I say, hey, the longer handle. When I talk about the grippy surface, I literally zoom in and go like this and show me rubbing the grippy surface and even zoom into the grippy surface. I say it creates so much more topspin, so I'll get a shot of me hitting the ball at the camera and then with the camera behind me showing the topspin. And then what you do is you take this main footage, A roll, then you take the B roll, right, the little clips that we just got, and you kind of change up the pace of the video every 3 to 5 seconds. So for 3 seconds, I'm talking to the camera. For 3 seconds, when I talk about a feature, I put the feature over. And this can all be done in an editing software. This is not an editing video. Let's show you how I film. And then that's it, right? You put some music. You can put some captions if you want. And then that's how it pretty much ends up. So this is the flow I've used for the past 7 years. And like I said, it's generated $10 million. Here is the final product. This is the highest quality pickleball paddle sold at the lowest possible sustainable markup. This is Professor Pickleball's raw carbon fiber PhD pickleball paddle. What clearly takes this paddle over the top is its grippy carbon fiber surface. It creates so much more topspin, making your shots nastier than ever, ultimately making it harder for your opponents to return the ball. This stuff right here on the surface makes all the difference between this paddle and a normal Amazon paddle. The shape of the paddle is designed to be perfectly balanced so it feels just right every time you swing it. The longer grip creates a better feel and overall control of your paddle. The PhD really does check all the boxes. Not only does it look great, it plays amazing, and it's pretty much unbeatable at this price point for such a high quality paddle. It comes in white and it comes in black. Click the link below to grab your PhD today.